Hi, I'm Dr. Ben from Blue River Chiropractic. I wanted to talk about carpal tunnel syndrome today. So I treat a lot of patients that come in and they have the classic carpal tunnel syndrome. Too much time at the computer, their wrists sitting on the keyboard, and they actually end up inflaming that nerve in the carpal tunnel. And the wrist, there's a lot of adjustments you can do that mobilize and open that space up and can give a lot of good relief to that. The thing with carpal tunnel, you have to have the proper diagnosis because it can be an impingement, a pinched nerve in the carpal tunnel, or it can be in the elbow, shoulder, thoracic outlet, or potentially a pinched nerve in the neck. So it's important to figure out exactly where the nerve's getting pinched to get it to heal properly. So I actually see a lot of patients with failed carpal tunnel surgeries where they've had surgery on it, they're still having numbness, still having tingling because it wasn't actually pinched in the carpal tunnel. So come in and see us and we can figure out exactly where this nerve's getting pinched and what it's going to take to fix it.